Hello, WordPress enthusiasts. If you're looking to streamline your website design process and make your content creation more efficient, you are in the right place. Today, we'll be diving into how to create reusable blocks in WordPress. To create reusable blocks in WordPress, you first need to go to the block editor, either by creating a new post or page or by editing an existing one, just like this one. Once you're happy with the block, you can save it as a reusable block. Simply click on the three-dot menu in the block toolbar as you can see here. Then click on Create Reusable Blocks. Give your reusable block a name as we have given social media. And then click on the Save button to save it to your WordPress library. Now as you can see, you have successfully created a reusable block. Now, whenever you want to use the same block again in a different post or page, simply add a new block, click on the plus icon. Go to the Reusable tab, and here select your saved reusable block. Now as you can see, your reusable block is inserted into your block editor. To manage your reusable blocks, you can go to the Reusable tab in the block insert a section, or you can also access them from the block editor option under Tools, and click on the Manage All Reusable Blocks. Here click on Edit. Now you can edit your reusable block. After editing the block, don't forget to save your edits. Click on the Update button to store your edits. To delete a reusable block, go to the Block Editor bar. Now click on the three dots. Here, click on the Manage Reusable Blocks option. To delete your reusable block, click on the trash and your reusable block will be deleted. And there you have it. Creating reusable blocks in WordPress is a powerful way to save time and maintain consistency in your website design. Give it a try and see how it can simplify your content creation process. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. You can also visit our website themehung.com to download amazing WordPress themes and plugins.